Okay, fam. I had to stop by Aldi's and get some of that tuna Mexican ingredients. I'm gonna eat a salad. I'm gonna lay off that darn beef and pork. Whew. And there's so much traffic out here. I'll see you when I get inside. Oh, they got the oranges for $2.99. And of course, I didn't bring my bag. Oh my gosh, Lisa. Because I was going to get the stuff at Publix. Where I was at Publix, but the price is too high. I think I'm going to get these though. $2.99. Need to get me some cilantro. For 79 cents. Oh, that bag open now. That one. See what they got over here. After I bought that bag of apples right there, bam, they was bad. I just don't trust these apples. I need to find me some jalapenos though. I think I'm gonna add some cucumbers in there. Add something different. Let me get me a cucumber. And that's 69 cents. I got onions, so I don't need no onions. Let's see. It's gonna be a light trip. Cause that's all I'm gonna fix is that chicken tuna salad. I need to find me a box. Get my stuff in. Okay, I got me a box. I cleared out there and had a few of those left, so I just empty that on top and made me a box. And yes, you are allowed to do that. I gotta get some tomatoes. I still enjoy this Aldi new look. I really and truly do. They need to come down on these prices though. But they still pretty good. Why this lady looked at me like I was crazy?
Today. Oh my God, what is that?
Okay, I got me a couple of tomatoes. I'm gonna get all the other tomatoes. Let me go over here and see can I find that tuna. I gotta find what aisle it's on. I forgot all about that. I'm coming over here because it used to be on this side. I don't know where my mind at. And I'm looking at the store and still forgot that they had rearranged everything. Alright, let me set my box down. Get 2 cans of the chicken breast. Check the plate on here. Come on, box. I'm trying to get home. Okay. I need to get some tuna. I'll do 3 cans of this tuna. 79 cents. There's so many people in Tuscaloosa. Oh my God. I forgot they got the A-Day game tomorrow. And when I say traffic is packed, it is packed, fam. It is packed. Let me go down here. I think I'm going to get another can of corn. 68 cents. I need to get some eggs. Don't need them darn special. They done got them marked down to $1.99, fam. Maybe if I eat just 2 breakfast, it'll be okay. I know what I said. I know what I said, but they $1.99. Lord, I miss me some pork chops. That's a good price. $9.84. Okay, they done brought back the $10 bag. That's it. That's a good deal. 2, 4, 6, 8. You get 10 pounds in beef patties. $10. That's a good price right there. Ribeye steaks. Ooh, that's $17 now. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Really and truly looking at the wrong thing. They ain't had no chicken on sale for a while now. About time for them to mark down some chicken. Okay. I gotta get some sour cream. Okay, I got my sour cream for $1.85. I should have got me a burger because I really need to get me some water. Oh, them darn eggs ain't went nowhere. Let me get me some eggs, man. $4.97. They still ain't came down on the eggs. Got my eggs. $4.97. Okay, I had to reposition everything. Oh, Lord. It's been a rough week. I had to take off yesterday. My darn feet were hurting me so bad. I had went to work Wednesday. I was hurting when I had, ooh, them biscuits. How much is it? $5.50. I was hurting so bad when I got up Wednesday morning, but I went to work anyway, limping, when I should have stayed at home. And I was gonna say $16, $17 for that bag of fries. What is it? It's a chicken breast. So, ended up working. Got off from work. It was hurting so bad, man. So I just didn't go to work yesterday. Ooh, look at that. How much that is? $7. Okay. Alright, let me get my butt up out of here. I'll see you at checkout. Alright, that's my price.